Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 15 Area, Practice Set 15.4. First question. Sides of a triangle are 45, 39, 42 centimeter. Find its area. This is on base of semi-perimeter. So let's see. Let's the sides of triangle be A equals to 45 centimeter, B equals to 39 centimeter, C equals to 42 centimeter. So first we will find out semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that is 45 plus 39 plus 42 upon 2. So when you add this, it will be something equals to 9 to 11, 11, 16, 126 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. फिर 6 बचा, 2 3 are 6, 63. So now area of triangle is equals to formula square root of, ये square root होता है, square root of s multiply by s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So that will be equals to, first s is how much? 63. Then 63 minus a is what? 45. Then 63 minus b is 39. 63 minus c is 42. So 63 into 63 minus 45 is 80 into 63 minus 39 is 24 and 63 minus 42 is 21. Now see, since this is square root, we have to find out square root. So 63 is a square of 7 nines are, and this is 9 twos are. Then this is 24 now. 8 16 24 now. 8 3s and 8 is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 and 21 is 3 7s are 21. See, basically in short यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, यह वी हैव डिड, ये जो 63 है उसको फैक्टराइज किया, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are like this. फिर उसके बाद 18 आता है. So like this you have to do 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Then you have 24. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 2 3s are. So ऐसे करके ये जो आ रहे हैं ना, ये इसको आपको ये रूट के अंदर लिखना है. एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग अंडर द रूट फाइंड आउट पेयर ऑफ 2 बिकॉज ये स्क्वायर रूट है. सो 2 2 का पेयर निकालना है. यहाँ पे 9, देन दिस एंड दिस, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इंटू 2, देन दिस 3, फिर ये एक 7, ये एक 7, सो 7. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस, okay, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. After multiplying all these, we get 756 square centimeter. So therefore area of given triangle is 756 square centimeter. Second sums, look at the measure shown in the adjacent figure and find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. अब ये quadrilateral का area ढूंढना है. So if we see carefully, वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज टू ट्राइंगल, इसमें दो ट्राइंगल दिख रहा है. सो ये क्वाड्रिलेटर का एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटर पी क्यू आर एस कैसे बनेगा? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी एस आर प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. That means one by one we have to find out both the triangle area and then we have to do addition. So first in triangle PSR measure angle S is equals to 90 degree. ये सिंबल हमको बताता है कि ये 90 डिग्री है. तो therefore ये वाला ट्राइंगल का एरिया हुआ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PSR is equals to हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर है तो ये बॉटम वाला बेस ये हाइट हो गया. सो हाफ इंटू 15 इंटू 36. सो 2 1 ज़ा 2, ये 2 1 ज़ा 2, 3 में से 2 गया 1 बचा, 2 8 ज़ा 16. नाउ 15 इंटू 18. सो 15 इंटू 18 विल बी 270 स्क्वायर मीटर. सो एक एरिया हमने ढूंढ लिया. ओके, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी एस आर इज इक्वल टू 270 इज इक्वल्स टू 270 स्क्वायर मीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. बट ये ट्राइंगल का एरिया ढूंढने के लिए हमारे पास ये साइड नहीं है, इसका मेजर ही नहीं है पी आर का. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट मेजर ऑफ दिस पी आर. इसका मेजर कैसे ढूंढेंगे? ये हाइपोटेनस की मदद से. ये राइट एंगल है ना, सो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो इन ट्राइंगल पी एस आर बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम व्हाट वी विल डू? पी आर ढूंढना है ना. पी आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पी एस स्क्वायर प्लस एस आर स्क्वायर. सो पी एस इज 36 and SR is 15. Okay, so now 15 square is 225 and this 36 square is 1 2. After adding this 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry 12 5 1, we get 1521. So PR, this all is PR. So PR equals to square of this. So after finding out square of this, we get 39. Okay, so now in triangle PQR we have A equals to 56, B equals to 25 and C equals to 39. See, A is this, B is this and C जो अभी हमने ढूंढा 39. So now by semi perimeter. So semi perimeter equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. 56 plus 25 plus 39 upon 2. So after adding all this we get 120 upon 2, that will be 2 1s are 2 6 are 0, 60. So now area of triangle PQR equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is almost 60, 60 minus 56, 60 minus 25, 60 minus 39. So 60 into 4 into 35 into 21. So now 60, 2 3s are 0, 2 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. So 60 का हुआ 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then 4. 4 is what? 2 into 2. So 4 का हुआ 2 into 2. 35 is what? 7 5s are. 7 5s are 35. And 21 is what? 3 7s are. 3 7s are 21. So now 1 2 3 4. 4 है तो 2 निकलेंगे. Now 1 2 2 है तो 1. 1 2 1 5 and then 7 7. So what we did, 2 के जोड़ी में से एक एक निकाले. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 2s are 70. 70 2s are 140. 140 into 3 420 square meter. So now the area of quadrilateral PQRS is equals to area of triangle. What we have written? PSR plus PQR. So area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR. So PQR का अभी मिला 420 and PSR 270. So 270. So that is equals to 096 square meter. Third sums. Some measures are given in the adjacent figure. Find area of quadrilateral ABCD. ये quadrilateral का area ढूंढना है. If you see carefully, observe the figure carefully, you have two triangles. One triangle is right angle triangle. See here 90 degree का symbol there. So easily we can do half into base into height. And in this triangle ABC also we have perpendicular. So here also we can do half into base into height. So very easily we can find out area of this quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle BAD plus area of triangle BDC. So now therefore first in triangle ABD measure angle A equals to 90 degree. So therefore area of triangle BAD is equals to half into base into height. So half base is AD, that is 9. Height is AB, that is 40. 2 1s are 2 2s are 0. 2 zeros are 0. So 9 2s are 18. Here we got 180 square meter. Area of triangle BAD. Area of triangle BAD is equals to 180 square meter. Now area of triangle BDC is equals to half into base into height. So here half into base is what? DC into height is what? BT. So half into base 60 degree into height 13 दिया हुआ है. See base 60 height 13. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 square meter. What is this? area of triangle BDC. So now area of quadrilateral, therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 180 plus 390, that is equals to 8 plus 9, 17, 1 carry 4, 5, 570 square meter.